This video is going to show how to add a restriction and how to hide a week. So for week 1, we want to restrict so that students cannot get into that until they get the mandatory course enrollment activity finished. So to do that, you're going to go into Edit Section. And right here is something called Restrict Access. I'm going to click on that, and then you're going to say Add Restriction. We want them to finish something, so it's an activity completion. Students must, and let me move this down a little bit so you can see it. Students must match the following. They must, mandatory course enrollment must be marked complete. And that is it. We go back in and we save the changes. And now you will see that not available unless the ad is complete. Also from here, very easy to hide your weeks. See this something that looks like a little light bulb? I'm sorry, looks like a little eye. All you got to do is hit that eye, and it'll say not published to students. Hit it again, and now it is. So I will go through and make all of yours. No, I'm not. I'll let you do that because I'm not sure how much you want your students to work ahead, and that is something that is completely up to you. Another thing that I wanted to kind of point out to you is your grade book. Let me push this up a little bit. Your grade book, the total points, which should be over here somewhere, and I have to admit that I have not looked at this, but I will. There should be a point total here, and there is not. So I'm going to have to go in and look at your grade book. But what you want to make sure happen is that the total amount of points available for this course, which will be on course total, equals what is in your syllabus. You'll get into some problems if your syllabus and your grade book don't match. So I'm going to take a look at it and see if I can figure out what's going on. The grade book is probably the trickiest thing you'll have to deal with. So I'm here. Oh, and the other question you had was about groups. What I do, I literally just count however many groups you have, like 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 going down the roll, just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so that it's literally just random. So I hope that helps. I'll be home for the rest of the day if you need anything. Thanks.